Hi guys, welcome back. It's Mandy. Today is the Ipsy unboxing day. Super excited. I feel like it took forever to get here. Today is the 13th and I just got off of work, so we are going to get right into it because I'm super excited. I have not watched any videos again because I didn't want to be spoiled. I heard that Ipsy did something special or something extra for the month of December, so we shall see. I want to see what it is. I don't even think I've seen what the bag was this month, so let's get into it. Oh, that wasn't good. All right. Oh, it's glitter. Yay, it's so pretty. I love it. It's not one of those ones you can go back and forth with, but it's cute. I like this. Yes, no, I did not see this bag. It has the little tassel. It does not, that's strange, does not say Ipsy on it. Normally, all their bags say Ipsy, and I don't see it anywhere. All right, so, oh, it's pink inside. I love it. So let's see what the theme. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Check inside for our holiday gift to you, a bonus 6 glam bag product. Yay, so it was right. And then just has a little bit of information on the back. So for you guys that don't know, Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription. It gives you 5 sample items, and generally they're really nice items. A lot of people really like them. They do generally have a waiting list to get on. However, I did just see that they are actually right now no waiting list. So if you do want to join, all you have to do is go to ipsy.com and sign up, and you go through a little profile. You tell them what your hair color, your eye color, your skin tone, and all that, so they can customize your bags. So if you are interested in that, just sign up. It's very easy. All right, so let's get into it. Our first item in the bag is a brush, which I just went through last month and changed my profile because I did not realize that I didn't have brushes on. I was wondering why I wasn't getting brushes. So I went through my profile, and apparently I did not click that I wanted brushes. So it's kind of cool that I just fixed it last month, and the first month that something comes, I get a brush. And it is a Farrah blending brush. Very soft. Really like it. I love the how that handle is right there. It's really light. And it is a 35E. Comes to a point. It's a really nice brush. Really soft, two-tone top. Really like that. And that's about the kind of blending brush that I really like and look for. So I'm excited about that. Always can use a brush. Always. That's why I went back and changed it. Brushes are great. I love brushes. That's less you have to clean. Nobody likes to clean brushes. All right, second item. Lottie. I think I've heard of this brand before. Lottie AM to PM eyeliner. And that is what it looks like. I wish that they gave you the prices of these things in the they do in the Ipsy Glam Plus, but not in this. You'd have to go and look it up. Alright, I cannot get this thing open for the life of me. I hate these things. I don't know about you guys, but these stupid things, I hate them. Alright, so let's see. Oh. Well, that's really weird. Okay, so it's not black. It's in the shade Mocha. And the way it's sharpened is, I guess it's not a twist up, but it looks like it's a twist up, but it's not. Anyway, so there we go. It goes on really nice. It looks like a gel liner. It's very dark. I'll definitely try it. I usually use black, but I'll give anything a try. All right, so the next item is, oh, I love this stuff. This is the Ciate Glitter Flip. Oh, I have this. I don't have it in this color, but I love this stuff. I will use this all the way up, and this is infamous. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but I love that. I'm a glitter person. Everybody knows I'm a glitter person. I love the glitter. But this one is when you put it on and then you, you know, push your lips together, the glitter comes up and it looks so nice. I don't know if you're going to be able to, I'll let it dry down and see if we can get the glitter to show up. But that's a beautiful color. I mean, that's so similar to that's a score. Ipsy, love it. Super excited about that. These things are $20 a piece for the full size because, like I said, I bought them. I went and bought, actually I bought 2 of them. I love them. Super excited about that. All right, next item. Okay, another brush. Not complaining. This is a Luxie brush. I love Luxie. Precision, and then it's another blending brush. But this one is a precision blending brush. I do not have one of these. Those are really tight bristles in there. That's really nice. Luxie 243 Precision Blending. I like it. Thank you. Excited. All right, so 2 more items I'm feeling. All right, so this one is Cocoa and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. And that is what it looks like. I like the packaging. I really like the packaging. I like the green and the pink. Let's see if it is. It is sealed. Yay. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. That smells really good. Let's see. I know it's for your hair, but I'm trying to give you guys like a, it smells kind of like a suntan lotion, sort of. It's really nice. It's creamy. It's got a suntan lotion with a hint of coconut. Well, duh, it does say coconut on there, but give it a try. A deep conditioning treatment to improve the health of your hair, restores damaged hair, improves shine and texture, hydrates, and tames fizz. Instructions are shampoo, then evenly distribute product through towel dried hair, leave in for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse. And it is vegan and cruelty free, gluten free, it's sulfate free, paraben free. That's a nice product. All right, and the last product in this beautiful Ipsy bag, Catrice. Wow, I've never seen a Catrice product in an Ipsy bag, and I've been getting these for over a year. Ooh, it's so pretty. So it's like biting off the balm, because that's what the balm comes in, is little paper packages like this. And then it is beautiful. Look at the sparkles. They know I love glitter. All right, let's see. Let's see what it's looking like and if it's pigmented. Ah, you let me down. It's not that pigmented. I mean, it's subtle. It's pretty. I definitely like it. That's two swatches. Let's see. Let's do one more on top of it. It's pretty. I'm going to use it. I really like using purples and pinks on my eyes. I wonder if this would come out and go in my magnetic tray. It probably would. But, I don't know. You like it? Oh, let's see if this thing glitters up. It's kind of hard to do it when it's not on your lips. I did nothing but smear it. But it did, you can kind of see the glitter now. I really love this stuff. I'm super excited for that. Like, that is my favorite thing out of this whole entire bag. I love this stuff. So, yeah. Definitely will be wearing this in the next video. Well, not the next video, because I do have a Target video to film tonight. And then I'm still waiting for my my BoxyCharm to come. I'm waiting on that. I want that. I've heard that's a really good box this month too. It's December. They got to be nice, right? Anyway, So, thank you guys for coming and watching. I appreciate everybody that comes to my videos and watches me and helps me grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me know what I should change, if I'm doing good, you know, any of that good stuff. Anyway, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.